How to delete all draft videos from YouCut. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily delete all draft videos at once in YouCut Video Editor application. So if you're also using YouCut Video Editor application to download or simply edit your video on your device, then first thing what you can do is, as you can see, when I click on this plus icon, you can see there are over 289 drafts remaining on this application, so which may be reducing your performance or causing lag when you are trying to edit any videos. So in that case, just tap on the drafts, and from over here all you have to do is just click on this hamburger icon at the top right corner and simply click on this select all option at the bottom right corner. So once you do that, simply click on this delete, which is a dustbin icon, and just click on delete. Just like that, you have successfully deleted all of the drafts videos at once in YouCut Video Editor application. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.